अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू. Nursery class, welcome back to your English class. Today I am going to do the revision of dictation. In the previous class we did the dictation. Now today we will do the revision of dictation. So all of you take your pencil in your hand, open your copy, get ready without wasting any time. Get ready for your revision test for dictation. Now don't look here and there. Listen very carefully what I am dictating you and write it in your copy. So, are you all ready? Get your pencil in your hand. Get ready. Okay. So, let's start the dictation. So, first letter is H for hut. You will write in your copy H. H for hut. Children, have you all written? H for hut. Now next alphabet is O for orange. Write O in your copy. O for orange. Don't look here and there and don't cheat. Don't ask anyone. Do it yourself. Don't waste any time. Be careful. Listen very carefully and write. O for orange. Have you all written O for orange? Now next alphabet is A for apple. A for apple. Have you all written A? A for apple. Now next letter is D for duck. Write D in your notebook, note copy. D for duck. Don't look here and there. Don't ask anyone. Do it yourself. D for duck. Have you all written? Now next alphabet is I for ice cream. You will write I in your copy. I for ice cream. Children, have you all written? Yes. Next alphabet is G for gun. Write G in your copy. G for gun. Listen carefully. Don't waste your time. Listen carefully and write G in your copy. G for gun. Now next alphabet is E for egg. E for egg. Now write E in your copy. E for egg. Children, have you all written? Good. Now next alphabet is B for ball. B for ball. Write B in your copy. B for ball. Now next alphabet is N for net. Write N in your copy. Listen carefully. Pay attention and listen carefully. Don't look here and there. Write N for net. Next alphabet is Y for Yaj. Write Y in your copy. Y for Yaj. Children, have you all written? Now next alphabet is R for rat. Write R in your copy. R for rat. R for rat. Have you all written? Now next alphabet is W for watch. W for watch. Write W in your copy. W for watch. Listen very carefully what I am dictating you, which letter I am dictating you. Listen carefully and write W for watch. Write W in your copy. Now next alphabet is S for sun. S for sun. All of you write S for sun. Write S in your copy. Written? Everybody? Now next alphabet is U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Write U in your copy. U for umbrella. Have you all written? Now next alphabet is L for leg. L for leg. Write L in your copy. L for leg. Now go through the letters. I am repeating the letters again and see have you all written it or not. First alphabet was H for hat. Next alphabet was, second alphabet was O for orange. Third alphabet was A for apple. Fourth is D for duck. Fifth is I for ice cream. Sixth alphabet is G for gun. Seventh alphabet is E for egg. And eighth alphabet is B for ball. Ninth alphabet is N for net. 10th alphabet is Y for yacht. 11th alphabet is R for rat. 12th alphabet is W for watch. And 13th alphabet is S for sun. 14th is U for umbrella. And the 15th alphabet is L for leg. Have you all written? Now do the correction as I am. First I dictate you alphabet H. Now I am writing H over here and you will see that if you have written H like this, you will put a tick over there, otherwise you will put a cross over there. Now write H. H for hat. If you have written H like this, you will put a tick over there like this, otherwise you will put a cross. Now next is O for orange. O for orange. If you have written O like this, put a tick over here, otherwise you will put a cross over there. Now A for apple. If you have written A like this, put a tick over there, And if you have not written A like this, put a cross over there. D for duck. If you have written D like this, put a tick there. Otherwise, put a cross over there. I for ice cream. If you have written I like this, as I have written here, so put a tick there. Otherwise, put a cross over there. G for gun. If you have written G like this, as I have written here, put a tick there. Otherwise, put a cross there. E for egg. E for egg. If you have written E, put a tick over there. If you have not written E like this, put a cross over there. B for ball. If you have written B as I am writing here, put a tick over here. Otherwise, put a cross over there. Now N for net. Look here as I am writing N over here. If you have written N as I am writing here, you will put a tick over here. Otherwise, you will put a cross over there. Y for yacht. If you have written Y like this, put a tick here. Otherwise, cross it. R for rat. If you have written R as I am writing here like this, so put a tick there. Otherwise, put a cross there. W for watch. If you have written W like I am writing over here, then put a tick. Otherwise, put a cross here. S for sun. Look here and see as I am writing S. If you have written S like this, put tick over here. Otherwise, cross it. U for umbrella. Now see if you have written U like this, put a tick there. Otherwise, put a cross. L for leg. Now see if you have written L like this, put a tick over here. Otherwise, put a cross. So children, if you have written all the letters correct, then it's very good. But if you have not written all the letters correct, if you have written a wrong letter, put a cross over there. So I hope you all have done it. Do the practice. Tell your parents to dictate your alphabets. Okay? It's a revision work. Do the revision and do the practice. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.